In this video, we'll get familiar with such components of RPA Express as OCR, Help, and Report. OCR, which is Optical Character Recognition, is an RPA plugin which allows bot to recognize a text from image and then work with its digital representation. Input image can be any scanned document or part of your screen. OCR plugin is used in both RPA Recorder and Control Tower. User needs to start OCR plugin in order to use it. For this, we'll press Start button on the panel available in your system tray. By default, OCR is not started. For example, while automating some desktop application in the RPA Recorder, you might need to recognize and retrieve some text, which cannot be simply selected and copied into the clipboard. Let's say we need to get the version of Notepad and store it for further processing. Using OCR action in RPA Recorder, we can scan target part of the screen specifying anchor area and OCR area. The recorder will recognize text in OCR area and save it into text variable. The next component of the WorkFusion panel is the Help link. It will lead us to the RPA Express knowledge base. By default, this web resource will be opened in portable browser. But you may also access the same website from any other browser on the machine even without RPA Express installed. This resource provides detailed user guide about RPA Express and its components, some technical and architectural information. In the troubleshooting section, you may find some typical issues with descriptions of how to solve them. There are also links to the support and frequently asked questions section. If you experience some issues, you can also send us a report by clicking the Send Report link. This section will open your default email client with system info, filled email address, and topic. All you need for sending a detailed report is to go to RPA Express installation folder. Location by default is C/RPA Express/WorkFusion. Attach the report zip file to the email. Provide description of the issue and send the email to rpaexpress@workfusion.com.